Hi guys, I bought this beautiful speaker from Flipkart. As you can see, Stone 1500 the model number is. I will leave the link in the description. Go and check it out. I bought it around 7,000 rupees. It is running in offer price. As you can see clearly, it is on the box. It is mentioned 13,000 rupees. 12990. Let's open this box and I will show clearly. Let's unbox it. Guys, this is how the box looks. We are getting the huge. Let's open and see. It's very bulky, guys. It's very huge, guys, as you can see clearly. From down onwards I will show clearly you. This is a boat, model number Stone 1500. Output capacity, input 5 volts, as you can see clearly. These are the charging sockets, I think so. Here we get a plus sign, minus, next track, mute option. I think this is for holding options, I think so. As you can see clearly, the boat symbol, the logo. These are the subwoofers. Let's see what's the extra we are getting in the box. Let's keep it as a side. This is how it looks. It's almost my arm size, as you can see clearly. My arm size almost. Let's see in the box what we are getting. Nothing much. One small box. Let's see. Okay, we are getting the holding for speakers. We can, okay. These are the pins we have to attach just like this, and we can go on the trickings or anything. We can go in the wherever you want. And this charging, we can charge this from this. As usual, 1 year warranty manual. Warranty manual book, all the descriptions. You say these are the odds cable we are getting. Normal Android only, not for iPhone. We need to buy another odds for iPhone users. Nothing too much. Let's after charging I will clearly show you guys. I charged it around half an hour. And coming to the board features, we getting around 40 watts of sound, and in this especially it is getting with the voice assistants, Google, Siri inbuilt. And also the most special feature is that it has the water resistant IPH6 rated. We can listen it in the water also. There is no issues at all. We are getting with waterproof. And it has 3 connections: AUX, USB and Bluetooth, as usual, like all. And moreover, the very good part about this is that it is capable of 15 hours continuous playback. We can use continuously 15 hours because the inbuilt battery capacity is around 4000 mAh. It is a best feature. And coming to design, it has nice it is almost off of my hand, around arms it is coming, and it's somewhat of weight is there, some, and in this it is he is giving the strap also to hold it by keeping this side and that side. I will show you clearly after giving 360 degrees view. And coming to the side part, we are getting a boat logo. These are the subwoofers. In this we are getting 2 subwoofers. I will show you with clearly songs playing also. And coming to this part, we are getting voice sound increase less. This is pause button. This is the on off button. And coming to the back part, there is no logo. Only front part we are getting the boot small logo design. And coming to the down part, we get here are the some features: input 5 volts, output power 2 into 20 watts. This is I will show it clearly. And coming to this part, we get a OTS USB, and this is the connection per power input. This is OTS. This is very tight because of the water resistant, not entering the water into this sockets. This is strongly built. And let's on and see how it works. Okay, we should hold about 2 seconds. This button is on off button.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
As you can see clearly, it is giving some voice commands, inbuilt voice commands. By turning on, it is automatically that sounds will become. And these are the 3 lights will be clearly you can see. I'll zoom in. So these are the battery. If three lights are there, means it is full of charge. When it comes to only 1 light, it is about 30% of the charging only. I will show you. And what are the inbuilt means? This is a aux cable. This is charging small wire he is giving. Not much in bots. This is the strap he is giving. In complementary, he is giving the strap also. We can hold and go to the trekking or anything just by keeping this. I will show you. That's it. We can keep this like, and we can hold it in our arms, and we can go. And guys, let's the main part. Let's listen the songs and see how it works. Hope you guys like the sound. Let's check it.
was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? 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 Push me away, I wanna stay, baby. Push me away, yeah. In my eyes, you make me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. In my eyes, you make me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. Right now I'm living in a daydream. It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. I got those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. Got these feelings.
Guys, as you can see, the subwoofers are working very excellently. It's very good without any no obstacles are coming in the sound very clearly. We can listen every part of the sound are clearly we can listen. There is no not at all any breakings in the sound music also. It is very clearly excellently. The two subwoofers are working very excellent brilliantly. And coming to the let's listen one slow song also, not the woofer sound but also slow song. Let's listen another track.